What is going on out there, peeps? Man, there's some serious crazy ups and down on the stock market, but also we're going to show you something about gold and silver that's going to blow your mind. I keep warning you guys, if you're not already investing in it, you're going to miss the wagon or the train, I guess is what it is. You like how I messed that one all up? Look, let's see how we did. Last time I think we had, what was it, 26% gain on our stocks? 28%, somewhere around there. But let's go on the high side just to make it fair. Did we get 28% return back this time? We will see. A quick reminder, you guys, we do have a Facebook group with the same name as the YouTube channel, Pimpy's Investment Chat. I encourage you guys to come join us. It's free to do so. I will leave a link in the description. Encourage you guys to come and join us. We talk about everything in here to foreign exchange, currency exchanges, including the Iraqi dinar, the Vietnam dong, as well as cryptocurrencies, gold and silver, and other stock ideas. So come join us. It's free. All right. If you have any questions, post the questions. There's a lot of knowledgeable people in the group. They will answer your questions. For you people who love the conspiracy side, the so-called conspiracy side, there's Nasera, Jacera. We talk about 9/11. False flag events, everything else is in here. I will leave a link in the description and encourage you to come join us because it's free to do so. All right, you guys, let's get into some what's crazy, what's happening. All right, so earlier today, there was some fear about what Trump was going to say regarding China. As you guys know, China is making its move on Hong Kong. The rest of the world is not too thrilled about what's going on. So there was some fear and panic, and people started selling off stock like it was going out of style. All right. Then what happened was Trump came out, made his announcement. The stockholders were happy. And then all of a sudden they made a U-turn and stock started going in a positive direction. Lagging and pulling up the rear, of course, is cryptocurrencies. But don't let the red fool you, because here's the deal. They really done good. This is just a small retraction. So let's look at how we're doing. Now, for those of you who are new to this column right here, it says original value. What I did is I picked a handful of these different stocks and I said, hey, on April 21st, let's keep an eye on them. These are the ones that I think are going to do good here in the short and medium term. This is not something I'm talking about long term. There's a couple on here this long term. But I said, let's keep an eye on them and see how they perform. Let's see how we do. So I hypothetically said for each one of these, we're going to invest $10,000 in. That's right. It's a hypothetical. And some of you actually had the money and went out and did so. So congratulations to you. And I do get some good feedback from you guys, so I appreciate it. So we're just saying if you had $10,000, this would be the return on your $10,000 for each one of these. All right. So Discovery Metals, this one continues to kick butt. If I had $20,000, there'd be two of them that I picked. It would be the Discovery Metals and Drexion. They have been performing very well. So Discovery Metals was 31 cents. It's now 54.40. All right. And just so you know, it took a huge dip today and came right back up. That's a $7,385 increase from our original investment. So you're looking at a 173% increase in your $10,000 investment since April the 1st. Holy smokes, man. Look at this. Endeavor, $1.45 is now $1.92. That is a $3,241 increase. So a lot of these, I told you, gold and silver stock. What else did I say? I also said pay attention to Vegas stocks, because as people come out of quarantine, a lot of these stocks drop below lower than half of their yearly average. And I told you they would go back up as we get out of quarantine and people are no longer scared of the Rona. You can make some money off that, and that's what I'm showing you. Alexco, it's another metal stock. $2.29 from $1.48. $5,472 increase. Look at this. First Majestic Silver Corporation. It's now went from $7.53 to $10. $10. It's a $3,293 increase. Okay, and again, I was told I was allowed to do this. I was going to say something, but you know who you are, Lisa. She went out and she had somewhere around $62,000, and she said, I'm just going to pick one, and she chose this one. So she got lucky. So that percentage increase is made her a lot of money in a short period of time. So yeah, she's been doing a pee-pee dance, but she shared that with me the other day. I was like, can I get a t-shirt or something from Vegas when you go celebrate? Okay, here we go. Look where we at here. Mag silver, $9.87 is now $12.47. That's a $2,600 increase. Silvercrest went from $6.41 to $8.93. It's now a $3,931 increase. That is not too shabby, you guys. MGM from 13.19 after that huge fall is now climbing back up slowly. 17.18. I told you as these Vegas stocks rebound because people are coming out of the Rona quarantine, you're going to see everybody running over to Vegas. Next week, they're supposed to open up. Then watch what happens. That's a $3,000 increase. WTI oil, remember when we first talked about it was $1, but hey, in all fairness, I said we're going to launch it. The price we're going to use is from, we said, April 21st. So it's $2.11. Jumped up to $2.61 on $2,000. You made $2,369. The Wynn Resort, another Vegas one, went from $70.40 up to $83.28. It is now a $1,829 increase. Now, the thing with cryptocurrencies, they went on a huge run. And only one of these cryptocurrencies not only went on a run and increased at a pretty good size, but when all the other ones contracted and they went down a little bit, this one went down very, very little. Very little. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Because I keep telling you guys, don't take your eyes off it because that's the one crypto that I love a lot. XRP was 18 cents. It's now 1974. Has it changed? Let's take a peek over there. Nope, 1974. $681 increase. Well, so much for XRP being the go-to crypto. XLM, I told you, at 5 cents, go ahead and jump on it. It's now 6.7 cents. All right, so that's a $2,959 increase on $10,000. Here it is, Ethereum, $173.41. It jumped up to $219.07. You're looking at $2,633 increase. This is the one that actually went up to $22 and then slightly dropped down and then went back up again and then slightly dropped down. While all the other ones in panic are dropping, Ethereum continues to hold its value very good. Very good. Now, I personally own 34 of those bad boys, so I'm happy about that. USAA Precious Metals, $17.06 is now $19.35. That's a $1,342 increase. So Bitcoin, back when I first talked about it on April 21st, it was $6,880. It is now $9,394.88. Here's what I want to share with you newbies who are into cryptocurrencies. Just because Bitcoin value right now is at $9,394, you don't have to have $9,394 to buy Bitcoin. That's the thing about cryptocurrencies. You could buy fractional pieces of them, in other words. So if you can only afford every 2 weeks $20 to buy cryptocurrencies and you are set on buying Bitcoin, then you go into your place. Okay, for those you don't know, there is a link I leave in my description. For those you who are interested in buying cryptocurrencies for your first time, it takes to the Coinbase. So just buy $20 worth of Bitcoin. You could do that. Follow my link, you get an automatic $10 worth right there. But if you want to just, buy $20, you can buy $20 at a time. It's fractional. And eventually, over time, it will add up. Plus, you get all the gains and subtractions if it goes down, but gains as it goes up in value. Okay, I'm going to be doing a video on cryptocurrencies this weekend. I think you guys are going to like a lot. So you guys, don't be afraid to just jump into the water here. You don't have to have $9,300 to own Bitcoin. You can own fractionals of it. Okay, so again, I'll leave a link in the description. Follow it. It's really easy to do. It's a very user-friendly website, and I encourage you to do so. Okay. Perth Mint, it was at $16.82 and now at $17.26. That is my cheapie, man. That baby is not hardly moving at all. Here's the other one I love a lot, Drexion. It's $63.70, is now $97.58, $5,318. This little booger was actually up to $101 and did a slight retraction today. So that's really good. That's a $97.58 is where it is. I'm just wondering where it would have been had that 101. So 53. Yeah, so see, it's about $500 cheaper. So anyways, yeah, I was watching it earlier. I was like, man, that stock continues to, between the two, if you look at Discovery Metals, which is on the top there, and Drexion, between the two, good, man, that's $20,000 you'd have put into them. You'd have made $12,600. $12,600 off of $20,000 investment. That's not too shabby, man. That's a 153% increase. All right, so look at this. Las Vegas Sands, another one of those stocks that took a drop when we went into the Rona quarantine. $40.72 is now $47.94. That's a $1,773 increase. Melco Resorts, another Vegas stock, $13.80 is now $16.03. You're looking at $1,615.94. So what I say, we're somewhere last time around 26% or 28%. So on your $180,000 investment, you'd have got a return right now if you cashed it all in before taxes, before fees. You would have made $53,424. That's not too shabby. As a matter of fact, on 180, yeah, we're about up there. Let's see, are we higher than the 28% from last 2 days ago? Yes, we're at 30%. 30% increase on your original gain. That's 1/3 plus your original fees back. I would say that's kicking boo-boo if you ask me. Now, I do want to bring something to your attention because this is important. I keep telling you guys, pay attention. Look at gold. Gold has been teetering around this $1,740 range. They're not going to stay there. They keep trying very hard to keep this price down. You want to know how I know it's not going to stay here? Look at silver. It is now almost $18.50 an ounce. When silver jumps up even 10 cents an ounce, that's crazy. That's a big jump. We're at $18.50. What I tell you is going to happen if it gets anywhere around that $19 mark, it's going to force gold to start running up. You're going to see gold get around 1900, and then nothing is going to stop these two metals. People are going to start dropping everything they have and buying these metals. I did a video where Wall Street tells everybody, no, don't panic. Don't worry about gold and silver. Turn away from it, right? That's what they're telling everybody. Then they turn and send out a memo to their investors and tell them, buy, buy, buy. Here's me making a suggestion to you, in my opinion. Buy, buy, buy. Silver always outperforms gold. Didn't I tell you that? Gold has been teetered around this mark now for, a few months. But look where gold is going, or silver continues to climb up. It's creeping. Nobody's paying attention. I bought 50 ounces last week. I bought 31 one package and then got another 20 in another package. And I just ordered a bunch more. I love when I get those come in. Plus, I have some specialty low mintage coins coming in that I love. But yeah, I never feel like I have enough of silver. All right, you guys? All right, so look, my suggestion to you, if you could afford to do so, buy silver. Just keep buying it. And I've done videos on where to go and buy silver. Look, what I do is I try my local stores first because they'll charge you about $1 above spot price, which is this price up here. Okay? So I can go to my store right now and they'll charge me $19.50 an ounce to buy it from them. If you buy it over the internet, they're going to charge you about $4 to $5 above that price. But when I don't have any local, where I go to is AMPMEX, APMEX, APMEX. Google it. That's where I buy my gold and silver from them when I can't find it locally. All right, you guys, I hope this helps. I told you keep an eye on silver. It has taken off, but so are my other stocks. And that's not too shabby for an amateur. 30% increase since April 21st. Yeah, I'd say we're doing pretty damn good. All right, you guys, I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.